Here's number 4 from your Substitution Review worksheet. We have the integral of 4x times tangent of 5x squared dx. And I'm going to start with letting u be 5x squared. And then the derivative of u with respect to x will be 10x. And then we get that du divided by 10x is dx. So I can do some substitution here. We've got the integral of 4x, the tangent of u, and then in the dx spot I can put du over 10x. Okay, let's cross off the x divided by x right there. And then 4 over 10, that's going to factor on out. 4 over 10 can reduce to 2 over 5, and then we have the integral of the tangent of u du. And here's where you can either have the integral of tangent memorized as the negative natural log of cosine, or you can use substitution here. So instead of u, maybe I'll pick a w this time and let let's rewrite this first. Oh my. Tangent is the sine of u over the cosine of u. So w is going to be the denominator, cosine of u. And so the derivative of w with respect to u is going to be, the derivative of cosine is negative sine. So that's going to take care of the numerator there. So this integral that we have, the 2/5 integral of the sine of u over the cosine of u du is going to become, we have 2/5 integral of the sine of u divided by, and then cosine of u is w. And right here, we have dw du is negative sine of u. And so that gives us a dw divided by negative sine of u is du. So in the du spot, I'm going to put dw divided by negative sine of u. That's a negative right there. Okay, so let's cross off the sine with the sine, but we still have a negative, and we'll factor that out front. Okay, let's see what happens. We have a negative 2/5. We have the integral. When you divide something by itself, you get a 1, so we have 1 over w dw. So we end up with a negative 2/5 natural log of w, and then plus a constant. Now let's plug what w is back in. Let's see, we've got negative 2/5 natural log, and w happens to be the cosine of u. But we still have to plug back in what u is. Oh, this is delightful. Okay, so we've got a negative 2/5 natural log, absolute, cosine, and in the u spot, I'll put 5x squared. 5x squared plus a constant. Okay, so that's another method besides what I showed on my key, showing the extra substitution for getting the integral of tangent. And you're going to use a similar method on number 3. Have a lovely day.